Welcome Ninja Affiliates to step number 3. By the end of this video, you will have an understanding of how to get traffic from this website back to the automated marketing system that I've set up that's promoting my digital product. So let's go ahead, jump on in, and let me walk you through on setting up the traffic source. Okay, so in step number 1, I walked you through on finding a product to promote, and remember that it have to solve a problem that exists in the marketplace, and it have to have a good compensation plan. And I showed you on how to do the math to figure out how much commission that you need to make on and being able to hit your income goal. And then in step number 2, I walk you through on how to set up the automated marketing system that consists of these 3 pages: the landing page, the sales page, and the thank you page. And I'm using the platform system.io and using the free version to set these all up. And then in step number 3, now we are getting traffic, because without nobody seeing our landing page, then we won't be able to sell anything. So in this step, I'm going to share with you a traffic source that I'm using. It is a free traffic source that I'm using to get traffic back to my landing page. It's called it's all I'm doing is I'm posting ads on these website, and then in my link is linking me back to my system. So let's jump on over to the website. Let me share with you this website and how I'm setting it up to send traffic back to my system. All right, I'm here on the website. So basically all I'm doing is just posting a free ad here. I'm clicking on that, and then these are the different countries that I can list my ad. So I'll be selecting the United States, and then we can select any states from here. So let's do Louisiana, and then let's do that city. And then I'm doing build wealth, and it will be in either affiliate marketing or business opportunity or work from home jobs. So let's select work from home jobs. All right, on this page, all I'm doing is I'm putting a title. So all of my stuff, I pre-written them in Google Docs. So now all I'm doing is I'm just copying and pasting, and then I'll go over to Google Docs to get my text, copying, and I'm just pasting, and that's basically it. So here's a YouTube video that if they want to watch and get some more information, they can click on that. And then here is my website that's linking them back to my marketing system. And then start date will be today, and then these are optional. And then next one, I want to upload an image, so I'll just go and I'll just upload an image. And all these are the paid extension option. We don't need that at the moment. And then I'm just hitting continue, click on continue. And that's basically it, right? Copy and paste with the link back to my automated system. And if I want to view my ad, I can click on there. And as you can see, it was Shreveport, Louisiana that I placed in my ad. And then we can go back and place it in a different city and different state. So if you want to view the ad that I just posted, here it is right here. And here's the YouTube video, and here's my thumbnail, and that's basically it. So if it's something that they're interested in, right, then they can click on my link, and then that will take them to the landing page in my automated marketing system. And if it's something that they're interested in, they put in their email, click on submit, and then they'll be taken to the second page, which will be the sales page. They go through it, and if it resonates with them and they want it, they click buy, and they'll get the product. I earn my commission, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. So that's the whole system right there, right? Step one is finding a product to promote, which is promoting digital growth community, and I'm earning 900 per sale, and then I'm setting up my automated marketing system, the landing page, the sales page, the thank you page. All those are linked together, and then I'm going over to get traffic, and I'm sending traffic back to this first page, which is the landing page. And that's basically the whole system. All right, listen, I appreciate your time. I hope you got some value from these 3 steps, and you can go out and set up your own system and sell your own product. Now, if you want to get on my team and promote the same product that I'm promoting, you can click the link, and you go through the same process that I share with you, and whichever one of these products that you want to invest in, you can invest in whichever one that you choose to, and that will give you the resale right to sell that product to earn a commission. And if you join through my link, I will share with you how you can set up these automated system. The videos will already walk you through, but I will also give you some tips on exactly how to get these done in a timely manner, and some other stuff that I've learned I will share with you. And then I will consider probably be like your accountability partner, to help you through the stages as you set up this system. So, hey, listen, I appreciate you, and I hope to work with you in the upcoming future. You take care. All right.